What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, I have to admit we caught them. And it is really impressive, but today's news might change everything. I have to admit that we pretty much opened a Pandora box for authorities, and in just several minutes I will explain you why I think so. On top of that, I will show you an update from Marcus in regards to his major due diligence that should be a real bombshell in our case as well. On top of that, guys, I will show you how close the relationships of the wrongdoers are and how we can investigate it together. And before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. And let's start with this update from Marcus. You know that just several days ago he announced his major due diligence, and for now he has changed a little bit the deadline because he has to do it more properly, and he wrote this. Hi everyone, I'm working hard to finish up this massive due diligence, and I really hope it lives up to your expectations. Once it's done, some amazing folks from our community will give it a peer review to ensure everything is spot on before I post it. I apologize for delay, I'm just juggling quite a few things, but I'm fully focused on making sure it's accurate and impactful for our cause. Thanks so much for your patience and support. So guys, for now I have to say that we just have to wait this update from Marcus, and it is definitely worth our attention because just recently he published his another due diligence, and you can watch it in one of my previous video. So let me show you another update from Scott Trott. You know that just recently he published this tweet that FINRA added another attorney. That means he is facing 11 attorneys in his case. And guys, I have to say that this is quite a huge number that shows that FINRA has something to hide. And if you take a look right here, the average salary for corporate lawyer, you can find that the average salary for a corporate lawyer is about $166,000 per year in the United States. This means they have to spend almost $2 million a year for these 11 lawyers alone. And guys, it is without any other fees and potential damages. This means they think that it is worth their attention to pay this huge amount of money to lawyers alone. And guys, take a look again right here. Scott Trott reposted the tweet. He basically responded to a tweet that was written by Ryan, and Ryan reposted the tweet of Timmy Donahue. Let me quote you this in details. And Timmy Donahue wrote, "I'm Rubenstein. Thanks for being a pillar in high-frequency trading and leading the charge so everyone has a fair shot at the US stock market. Just kidding. You are a moron. It was created for hedge funds and shorts, just like yourself, to get best price execution with literally no risk. A lot of people think I'm crazy, but FINRA is an SRO, exchange and broker-dealer. I can legally say that because you guys are the exact definition of all of the above, except the regular part. So here's what I did said. If a quote is showing up with XADF next to it, then that is FINRA, not your participants, because JP Morgan. And when you try and slip in intelligent cross, the owners and operators of the ATS, you even gave them an MPID INCR. The best part about this move is it happened within 10 days or less of the U3 or something that has not been used since 2015. I have XADF that to rights with 400 screenshots, so the whole claim sucks, but it was so obvious 10 days after the halt. The US SRO writes a rushed letter to the SEC, and even they had questions like, why the hell are you guys pushing the ADF with Rule 611? Well, I know why you were. Read this thread, trust me, it won't be long, and the ending will be magnificent. And he added this letter, a part of the letter that was written on March 19th of this year, and it was addressed to Miss Countryman, Vanessa Countryman, Secretary, Securities and Exchange Commission. And right here you can see this paragraph. The real question in all of this are, why is FINRA trying to use the ADF and Rule 611 to subsidize rent-seeking free riders on intelligent growth, and how much is that subsidy worth? And guys, the response from Ryan was following. He is on a serious roll. With all the new info that we are uncovering, how the hell do we keep getting ignored? But this letter is just a part of the entire document, and Scott wrote this. Where is the rest of the document? And definitely, he is interested, Scott wrote, is interested in this document as well, because it might be useful in his case, in his RICO case, and he can use it in order to push this case even further. And on top of that, guys, it is not the end. You know that Ari Rubinstein, as already mentioned, was the part of this scheme, and let me show you this due diligence that was made by RareDD, and he wrote this. The same market makers, GTS Securities, Concord, Genuity, Citadel, etc., that were visibly participating in MMTLP are also present in NRIS, Norris Industries. Norris Industries is an oil and gas exploration company that was co-founded by Benjamin Tran, who is the CEO of Bytech, which the SEC seems to allow to reuse the TRCH QC. Guys, how cool is that? Hi US Attorney Hamdani, have you looked into this yet? And he added these screenshots, and I have to say that it is very interesting to see, as you can see, Citadel, GTS Securities and Concord Genuity in the level 2 of orders of the metamaterials back in December the 8th of 2022. And what is more importantly, you can see the same companies in the level 2 order book for NRIS, Norris Industries, GTS Securities, Citadel, and other companies. On top of that, guys, here is the part of CV of Benjamin Tran, CEO of Bytech, and he found this company back in February of 2014. And let me show you further. In April of 2012, you can see that Benjamin Tran to join IWO to help execute its new direction in exploration initiatives. And later on, as you can see, Torchlight announced that they will be an operator of the project and begin groundwork immediately to drill the first 4 test wells, which the company expects will add 2,500 additional vertical drilling locations on 40-acre spacing. And RareDD wrote this. Could it be that Benjamin Tran and IWO were bitter than they didn't get the 172,000 acres in West Texas? On top of that, guys, he also added this about companies, about QSIP number. 2 companies have one QSIP number, TRCH and BTTC. And he made this due diligence back in August the 9th. And I covered this in my previous video, and you can clearly see that Torchlight Energy has the QSIP number 89102U103, and the Bytech Technologies has the same exact number, 89102U103. And guys, this is an extremely severe violation of SEC rules, but so far we don't have any updates in regards to this issue. On top of that, guys, RareDD also added this. Looks like GTS Securities and Concord Genuity were also on the scene when MMTLP began trading against the issuer's wishes. Doesn't Concord Genuity, doesn't Concord Genuity have a history of 15C-211 violations in properly listed securities? Curious that GTS and Concord are named in spoofing cases by at least 2 other OTC issuers. It's almost like they're always at the same place together. And guys, about the same place, He literally mean the same place, and he wrote, I mean always at the same place together. He added a couple of screenshots of their locations in London. GTS Securities Europe, as you can see, is located in London, level 12, 5 Aldermanbury Square, London, UK. And right here you can see that Concord Genuity also has the same address, and they are located extremely nearby. As you can see, they are 1 minute's walk from each other. And guys, I think it is another evidence that these two companies are working together in order to trade the unlisted stocks, and we caught them several times. But guys, it is not the main topic of today's video. Here is the tweet that was published by Junk Savvy in response to the tweet that was written by Costas. Junk Savvy wrote this 2 hours ago, attention, and Costas wrote this 3 hours ago. Attention MMTLP community, if you filed SEC FOIA for the blue sheet data email on December the 5th from FINRA SAMDREADY and it was rejected because of ongoing investigation, thanks to Scott Trott, he has an on-the-record affidavit response from SAMDREADY himself from August the 20, 2024, making no reference that the blue sheets can be shared because of an active investigation. So, it's game on to appeal your FOIAs using this information, because if the VP of Fraud and Crimes isn't referencing an ongoing investigation, then why is FOIA team using that excuse? Let's see if they now try to add on a new excuse and see how the courts like that. Go and file more FOIAs right now. All pressure leads to more truth, and it's breaking through their web of lies. Keep it up, and Congress, how much more truth do we need to expose? Well, we will get a resolution with or without you. So why not be the retail hero for once and be a part of the win? What is the certified audited share count? So, and Costas added these screenshots of the answer of SAMDREADY. And guys, this is a real bombshell of today's video, because with this information we basically opened a Pandora box for the authorities, because in this case they don't have this excuse anymore. That is why our FOIA requests cannot be rejected anymore, at least by this excuse. And I think it is extremely important update. And guys, let me tell you my personal story. I have a wife and 2 children aged 11 and 15, as well as a small dog. After 30 years of living in Russia near the Baikal Lake, we decided to move. Now we reside in Serbia. Although I don't own any MMTLP shares, I invest a lot of time creating daily MMTLP videos. I have been doing this every day without days off and holidays for more than 1.5 years. Now I wish to buy back this time from my family, from my children. We've agreed that I will ask the MMTLP community to support me, and I will give all the money to the children. Therefore, if you believe that I am providing useful content for you and wish to support me, you can join my Patreon account. For $5 a month, I will add your name to my list of supporters if you wish. Thank you in advance. The link you can find in the description below. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.